Okay, dear students, now we are seeing about next para. In the 16th century, when the Aztecs were at the height of their power, the whole empire collapsed before a handful of adventurers led by a Spaniard named Hernan Cortes. Mexican civilization collapsed with the great city of Tenochtitlan also perished. This is one of the world's worst genocides. The other famous conqueror was also Spaniard by name Francisco Pizarro, who led the conquest of the Incan Empire. Later, the Spaniards made Peru a part of their dominions. Okay, so in the 16th century, when the Aztecs were at the height of their power, so that time whole empire collapsed. That time, why, what is the reason whole empire collapsed? And adventurous and foreigners and also came to this place, and Spaniards, okay, Spaniards name Hernan Cortes and arrival to this place. So that time Mexican civilization collapsed. That time, okay, Mexican civilizations collapse means சீர்குலைந்தது. Okay, within the great city of Tenochtitlan also perished. And buries means destroy. Most of the peoples died that time. This is one of the world worst genocides. Genocides means massacre, and genocides means massacre. Okay, and the other famous conqueror, Spaniard by name Francisco Pizarro. Okay, Burma. First Spaniard's name Hernan Cortes, and Hernan Cortes and Mexican civilization collapsed with the great city of Tenochtitlan also perished that time. And this is one of the wonders and world worst massacre. The other famous conqueror was also Spaniard by name Francisco Pizarro, who led the conquest of the Incan Empire. So already you know that Maya, Incan, Aztecs. Okay, so three civilization and also highly advanced. Okay, and next Spaniard also conquest Incan Empire. Laterly Spaniards made Peru a part of their dominions. Okay, and laterly Spaniards and also joined Peru, and later the Spaniards made Peru a part of their dominions. Next one, Aztecs were a military nation. Okay, Aztec were a military country. Okay, and they had military colonies and harrisons means and பாதுகாப்பு படை அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது. ஓகே, ஸோ this colonies and Aztecs were a military country. They had military colonies and made of military colonies and garrisons and network military roads. Okay, and made of network military roads. There was outward security and outward side is also security and peace in the empire. But people was ruthlessly and people was ruthlessly means merciless. ரொம்ப இரக்கமற்றவங்களால் நடத்தப்படுறாங்க. ஓகே, but people is not peaceful that time and ruthlessly oppressed and exploited, and peoples and also affected that time. But outward side only security and peace in the empire. By the late of the 18th century, demand for political and by the late of 18th century, demand for political freedom, administrative autonomy, and economic self-determination was articulated throughout Latin America. Okay, by the 18th century, demand for political freedom, administrative autonomy, economic self-determination was articulated. Articulated means and clearly and capable of speech and also spread out that time. Okay, and political freedom, administration autonomy, economic self-determination was articulated throughout Latin America. All the only spread out all the places. There were bloody conflict between and Caydian slaves, colonists, armies of Britain and French colonies, and bloody conflict between one side is Scythian slaves and conflict, and another side is armies of the British and the French colonies. Okay, so there were bloody conflict. These struggles and these struggles and led by, okay ma, so bloody conflict between Scythian slaves, bloody conflict between Scythian slaves colonists, and another side is armies of the British and French colonies. Okay, so these struggles thou saint Louverdury, thou saint, okay, these struggles led by thou saint Louverdury during 1791 to 1804 ended the Scythian people's independence. So this time Scythian people's independence from the colonial control of France. Okay, and the European colonists and Europeans had been colonized most of the places, and this time, and also France and Scythian peoples, and already you know that Scythian slaves colonists, and another side is armies of the British and French colonies. These struggles led by Toussaint Louverdury, and Toussaint Louverdury இவரோட தலைமையில் இந்த போராட்டங்கள் நடக்கு. ஓகே, அண்டு பிரான்சின் காலனி ஆதிக்க போராட்டம். இந்த போராட்டத்தில் பீப்புள்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹைதியன் பீப்புள்ஸ் its freedom and independence from the colonial control of France, and Haiti thus became the first Caribbean country. Haiti thus became the Caribbean country to throw off slavery and the French colonial control. கைதி அண்ட் கைதியன் ஸ்லேவ்ஸ் அடிமைகளாக இருக்கிறாங்க. இவங்கள்ட்ட இருந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் அண்ட் கைதியன் பீப்புள்ஸ் இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த காலனியல் கண்ட்ரோல் ஆஃப் ஃப்ரான்ஸ். கைதி thus became the first Caribbean country to throw off slavery and French means France. Okay, France colonial country இருந்து Caribbean countries, one of the Haiti this became the first Caribbean country to throw off slavery and throw out of slavery and French colonial control. Okay, thank you.